So today, I'm sorry for the noise, but I wanted to give you a real life video about how I use nature on a daily basis to change my life, okay? Living in nature has separated me from a lot of things that I thought were important in my life, and they're not really important, okay? They were just distractions. So being out here, for sure, I'm not on social media, for sure, I'm not wasting my time walking around in the city doing unnecessary things or hanging out. I am not with a lot of friends. Most of the time I am alone with my dog. Life change in nature can be a reality because you get to meet your real self. You get time to spend with your real self. This is very important because I don't know if you know, but the more people that you and I are around, the more of ourselves we have to give to people, and the less of ourselves we get to keep. So, by me spending time in nature, in the mountains, getting figs, getting plums, and all these things, checking on fruits and making sure everything is A-OK. By me doing these type of activities for a few hours every day, it allows me to drop all the unnecessary clutter that is in my life or would otherwise be in my life, and I get some time to be in nature and to be in the silence of nature. This is awesome because I become one with myself. I can hear the nothingness that is happening around me. I can listen to the silence. I can just You get what I mean? That's my message. Thank you. Remember, subscribe, like, and share these videos around. And if you want life-changing content, more life-changing content, you can subscribe to my YouTube membership. Thank you, and I will see you in another life-change video.